If you've ever tried uninstalling a program only to find leftover files or strange errors, you'll know it's not always as simple as clicking uninstall. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to completely remove OBS Studio from Windows 10. By the end, you'll know how to fully uninstall OBS Studio, so you can free up space and avoid any lingering issues that sometimes come with leftover files. Let's get started. Alright, first up, we're going to use the Windows search function to quickly locate OBS Studio. So look down at your desktop, the part of the screen where your wallpaper and icons live, and find the search box. On most systems, it's a little magnifying glass near the Start menu, or you can just press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing. Type OBS into the search bar and you'll see OBS Studio pop up in the results. Now, this is a really handy trick because when you search for OBS here, Windows will also show you options like uninstall. Go ahead and click on that uninstall prompt. Once you do, Windows will open up the uninstall process for OBS Studio. Don't rush through. Give it a moment to process. Sometimes a confirmation box will jump out, asking if you're sure. Click yes and let Windows do its thing. This method works well for most people because it's quick, and it makes sure Windows recognizes the request to remove OBS. But we're going a step further, just to be thorough. Now, even after you've started the uninstall from the search bar, it's a good idea to double-check with the classic method, the control panel. Why? Sometimes programs leave behind extra pieces, and the control panel helps us double-check that everything's being removed. So go back to the Windows search box and type Control Panel. Open it up, and you'll see several options. Look for Uninstall a Program, which is usually right under the Programs section. Here's where you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your computer. This part can take a second if you have a lot of programs, so be patient. Scroll down or use the search bar up top to find OBS Studio in the list. When you spot it, right-click on OBS Studio and select Uninstall. This triggers Windows' official removal process again, and sometimes, if a program has leftover components, the control panel catches and clears them up. At this stage, try to wait until any prompts finish. If you see extra messages or questions about removing user data or settings, you can choose to delete those as well, especially if you want a truly clean slate for reinstalling later or just freeing up space. Now, that's pretty much it. You've just performed a thorough uninstall. Sometimes a quick restart helps Windows finish tidying up. So if you want to be really cautious, consider restarting your PC. And don't worry, if OBS was giving you trouble or you're planning to reinstall it fresh, these steps ensure you won't have any weird leftovers messing things up. Everyone's computer is a bit different, so if you run into any little hiccups, just take a breath and double-check each step. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button so others can discover it too. Got any questions or tips about uninstalling programs? Drop them in the comments. I read them all and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tech guides, so you're always in control of your PC. See you in the next one.